In this video, you will learn 2 best methods to whitelist a domain in Office 365. First, you will learn the mail flow rules to whitelist a domain in Exchange Online. Secondly, we will see whitelisting a domain in Office 365 using Microsoft 365 Defender. Let's get started with the first method. First, log into Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Click on Show All, scroll down and click on Exchange. Exchange Admin Center opens. Toggle down the Mail Flow tab and select the Rules menu. Here you can see no rules are previously added, so let's create a new rule to whitelist a domain. Simply click on the Add a Rule option. Select Create a New Rule. Here enter a name for the rule. You can use any related titles. Now jump to the Apply this rule if section. Here in the first box, select the sender, and in the second box, select Domain is. Here enter your domain name which you want to whitelist, and click Add. Once added, click on the Save button. You can see your domain is added. Now, go to the Do the Following section. Here in the first box, select Modify the message properties. In the second box, select Set the spam confidence level SCL. Here select Bypass spam filtering, and hit the Save button. Leave the Accept If section as it is, and click on the Next button. In this wizard, you can tweak settings. If you want the rule to activate and deactivate for a particular time, you can check these two: activate the rule on and deactivate the rule on checkboxes, and set a time period. Tweak the other settings, write a comment, however it's optional, and click on the Next button. Now review all the settings and click on the Finish button. Once the settings successfully saved, click on the Done button. You can see the rule is successfully added. Now if any email is sent from the domain, it will bypass the spam filtering, and you will receive the email. Second method, whitelisting via anti-spam policy in Microsoft 365 Defender. Again, open your Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Click on Show All, scroll down and click on Security. Microsoft 365 Defender opens. Here in the left sidebar, expand the Email and Collaboration tab and select Policies and Rules. Click on Threat Policies. Here click on Anti-Spam. Now in this wizard, you can see there exist some policies created by default. In them, you can edit the anti-spam inbound policy and allow your domain. However, you can also create a new inbound policy and allow your domain. Let's edit the default anti-spam inbound policy. So simply click on it. In this wizard, scroll down and expand the Allowed and Blocked Senders and Domains tab. Click on the Edit Allowed and Blocked Senders and Domains link. Here click on Allow Domains link. Now click on Add Domains option. Enter your domain name and click on Add Domains button. In this wizard, simply click on the Done button, and finally click on the Save button. Policy successfully updated, and you can see my added domain is now allowed. So, this is how you can whitelist any domain and receive emails without any interruption. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.